Welcome to my geometry course. This is lesson 2-2, which is logic. Today's date is Friday, November 14th, 2025. So, our lesson contents are... Okay, so we have some lesson contents. Slide 14 will be definition of compound statements. Slide 15 will be construction of a compound statement, example, and introduction. Slide 16 will be the disjunction of a compound statement, example, and introduction. Slide 17 is definition of a statement according to geometry. Slides 19 and 20 will be example 1, and slides 21 and 22 will be example 2. 2-2-1. The vocabulary. A compound statement is two and more statements joined by the word and or the word or. So, the construction of a compound statement has the word and in the compound statement. So, we have, it is raining and it will be 48 degrees. So, for today's weather, so it is not raining, it's actually sunny, so P is false. Sorry, I have a bad handwriting when it comes to screen recording. And it will be 48 degrees. So it might have been 40 degrees, so we're just going to say Q is true. So P is false, Q is true. Disjunction in a compound statement has the word or in a compound statement. So the example, it will be either raining tonight or it will be snowing in February. So, I do not know exactly if it will be snowing one of the 28 days in February 2026. So, it's November right now. So, we have 28 days. So, it will not rain tonight because it's actually kind of nice. So, S is false. So, G, either snowing in February. So I'm just gonna check and see. Okay. So, it will. Okay. So, the forecast doesn't get expected till the next 10 days. So, we will not be expecting snow or something like that in February. I do not know. But it might not stick. So, G is false. So a statement according to logic is a sentence with okay. A statement according to logic is a sentence which has a value of true or false. Example: a rectangle is a quadrilateral. We all know that. It's true. A rectangle has 4 sides, and a quadrilateral has 4 sides. So it's true. 2-2.2. We have 1 or 2 examples that we would like to go over. So example 1. January is a fall month. Okay, P. January is a fall month. Q. January has only 30 days. S. January 1 is the first day of a new year. So, we're going to take a peek of 2026. So, January is not a fall month. It has snow in a ton of places. So, the answer to P is no. It's not true. Q and S has to be, one of them has to be true. So, January has only 30 days. According to my calendar, January has 31 days. So, no. S. January 1st is the first day of a new year. Well, obviously, January 1st says New Year's Day. So it's true. P is false. Q is false. S is true. So Q or S has to be true. So which one is true and which one is false? Why? So, Q has only 30 days. That's false. It has 31. S is true. Because Q says that January only has 30 days. When I look on my calendar for January 2026, it has 31 days. So if I pop up my 2026-2027 monthly planner that I have, it says that January 2027 has also 30 days. 31 days, sorry. So every single year, January has 31 days. And January 1st has always been the first day of the whole month. Particularly the birth of Jesus, which we're not talking about that in Christian school, which I'm not talking about. This is math class, not Christian school. So P or Q has to be true. So P says January is a fall month. That's false. January is a winter month. And Q has 31 days, like I talked to you specifically. Q is false. So, neither is true. I did not mean to write V. For neither. So neither one of them is true. So P or S has to be true. In that case, S is true. So, like some of you have been collaborating in English 10 class, I think, in English 11 as well. But you have to collaborate. Work on your essays and stuff like that. But this is not English, it's math. Example 2. Write a truth table for approximate P or Q, which is this column right here. Here's the truth table. So, for P, true, true, false, false. Q's true, false, true, false. P is false, approximate P is false, false, true, true. Then approximate P or Q is T, true, false, true, true. So, in our next video, we will be talking about conditional statements, which I will probably have to change the date on it because I will be doing that in like about an hour. So, have a good day and like and subscribe. Don't forget to do that, please. Thank you.